Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make stickers in GoodNotes. That's right, we're making stickers directly in GoodNotes. You guys are going to want to see this. So before we get started, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and remember to hit that notification bell so that you get notified when I make new videos. Let's get started. Okay, so as you're watching this video, go grab your iPad right now. Go into your planner, a notebook, whatever, and find a blank page. Seriously, this is so easy. You can do it as you're watching the video. Now you see how I just slide from the right and I open my file system? You're gonna need this in order to create your stickers. It's gonna make it super simple and super easy. And I'm gonna show you how to actually have it on the side like that, ready to go. So all you have to do, close out of GoodNotes and open your files folder. Go into either your iPad or the iCloud Drive or wherever you want to add a new folder, and we're going to go at the very top here and click on Add Folder. So I'm just going to name this GoodNotes Stickers because that's the name of this video. And once you're done with that, close out of the files. So go back into GoodNotes, slide up from the bottom, tap and drag the files folder up until you see it on your screen like a little window. So it's going to open up, and you just tap on the folder that you just created and it's going to open up into that GoodNotes stickers folder. So now we're just going to slide it back to the side because we don't need it right now to start our first sticker. So we're just going to make a really simple doodle using the highlighting tool. Let's make a really cute transparent sticker. Now you're going to use your lasso tool, circle around the entire thing, slide from the right again until you see your files folder open. You're going to tap and hold and drag that sticker until you see a plus sign in your folder. And there you go. You have a PNG image. And it's such a low amount of storage. I think it's only 101 kilobytes? Kilograms? Something. But it's low. You can also rename your sticker by holding onto it. And you can just rename it whatever. I'm just going to write scribble. And there you go. You have your own sticker that you created in GoodNotes. And as you can see the shadowing behind. It is a transparent sticker that you can use anywhere in your planner. I am in love. Let's go to the next sticker. Okay, for our next sticker, we're going to create a transparent box with notes written at the top. So as you're using your highlighting tool, you can color in and create a box. This is just a natural type of flowing box here. And just keep holding down as you're coloring. Do not lift up the pen because it will have overlapping. Being that the highlighter tool is transparent, every time you use it again, it creates another layer. So we want to make sure we hold down and don't lift up that pen for dear life. So now we have a whole piece right here of a square, and we're going to add text. So go into your font, look for the font that you want to use, and we're just going to type in notes. And I think this is cute, but I'm just going to make it a little bit bigger. I'm using Aloha March. This is one of my favorite fonts that I like to use. So you're just going to tap on it, increase the font size, and place it where it looks good. Yeah, looks pretty good. I like it. So now we're gonna go back, use that lasso tool, circle the entire thing. Now slide from the right again to open our folder, tap and drag the sticker into the folder. Now we've created a PNG image once again, and it's complete. So as you can see, our box and text are one. Every time I'm making a new image, I just delete the old one because we don't need it anymore since we are making stickers. All right, so let's do the next one. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do a box that has a border. So we're going to use the pen tool, create a little square or a rectangle, and we're going to hold it down once we've done that to make it straight. Now to have this fill color, you do have that option when you go into the shape tool. Now that's if you want to be filled in already, but if you don't want that transparent filling inside of your rectangle or square, you can just remove it. You of course have the option to make a thicker or thinner border depending on the pen size. If you want to edit it, just tap on it with your finger and move around those blue little buttons. So once again, we are going to tap on the square or the rectangle, drag into our folder, and boom, we have stickers. Super simple. If you do not have your iPad, what are you waiting for? Go get it right now. So now I'm just deleting the original drawing, and I'm going to drag back the stickers into GoodNotes so that you can see how they're looking. The filling is transparent, meanwhile the borders are not. Woohoo! Now let's make a different kind of rectangle. We're going to make one that is not transparent, so you will not be able to see through it to the other side of the world. Instead, we'll be able to block it out. So remember, when you're making the rectangle, once you reach the end, hold it so that it creates a very perfectly straight shape. Now we're going to color it in. So you can color it in, you can lift up the pen, color it in again, you can zoom in, you can color it, and don't worry about having to make layers because this is the pen tool. It works differently from the highlighting tool. Now, as you noticed, I made a mistake. Apparently I need to go back to pre-K because I wrote outside of the lines. So I'm gonna fix that later, don't worry about that. But make sure all of the inside is filled in, and we're gonna just use the lasso tool, insert it into the folder as we've been doing, and we're going to crop out that little belly button in our rectangle. There we go, now it looks way better. No more belly button. So what I really love about making these stickers is that now they're just one piece. Now, as I was saying, sometimes when you color, you see how it has so many different pieces. Like if I were to just lift up this one rectangle, it's like 3 different types of pieces all together. So since we don't need that anymore, we're just going to delete the original drawing and stick with our new rectangle. Remember that you can still resize this into a square shape, into a longer rectangle shape. You can do whatever you want with them because they are PNG images that you can stretch. Okay, now for our next sticker, we're going to create a really cute rainbow doodle. Now you can make any kind of doodle that you want. You can make hearts, you can make stars, you can make flowers, horseshoes, something, and balloons. I don't know why I just thought about that, but anyway, you can make whatever drawing you want. You can let your creativity flow. Yes, I think we got it. This doodle is looking super cute. So go to your lasso tool, circle the entire thing, and once again, you're gonna tap, hold, and drag into the folder. Perfect. You just made your own cute little doodle, and it's now a sticker. Super simple. Okay, now we're gonna make a simple sticker that's a combination of the things we learned. We're gonna use text and highlighting and the pen tool all at once. And once you're done, use the lasso tool, circle the entire thing, tap on it, and drag it into the folder. Okay, we're going to make a calligraphy written sticker. Now this is a little bit tough. You're gonna have to go into the pen tool and click on the brush pen. Go into the maximum sensitivity and try to use maybe a smaller brush. This might make it a little bit easier. I was using a big one here, so it makes it a little bit hard. And also you want to play around with the different settings. If you want to play around with the different sensitivity, the size of the pen, Do that so that you feel comfortable when you're doing your calligraphy writing. Maybe the fountain pen works better for you. Try, whatever it is that you can, and practice, practice, practice until you get it right. So I'm going to make a couple different ones because I use a couple of these sayings in my daily and weekly plans, such as sleep, self-care, me time, whatever it is. So take your time, make them really cute, and until you like it, make it to your liking. You can change the color of it, everything that you want before you make it into a PNG image. Because once it's a sticker, you will not be able to change the colors. You will not be able to change, the way that you wrote it. It's gonna stick. It's gonna be stuck as a sticker. Get it? I really love making stickers using GoodNotes because the amount of storage that some of these beautiful high quality stickers take up is crazy. I mean, these stickers are beautiful. I mean, just gorgeous. But when I look at my storage is telling me another story. I just love the fact that I can create really beautiful, customized stickers my own way, and they're so low in KBs. All right, so now we're making another combination sticker. This is the last sticker that we're gonna make today using GoodNotes. So it's just a mixture of using the brush tool, the text tool, and who knows what else that you can use. You can just be creative with any single tool in here and just make it your own. So I'm just gonna write, "You are beautiful," and I'm using different sorts of text to make it really unique. It can be just the most gorgeous motivational sticker. I hope that this opens up a whole other world for you to be creative and how to create your own stickers that matches your style, your uniqueness, and just make the stickers that are beautiful to you. Also, sorry you guys, I tilted my entire iPad because I was getting into this one, okay? This was the really cool one. I was having fun with it and I needed to really get comfortable with how I was writing. So yeah, you guys, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you learned a lot, and please stay tuned for the next one. Thank you so much for watching. As always, please remember to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and make sure you hit that notification bell so that you get notified when I make new videos. See you in the next one. Bye.